Hello and welcome back. This will be a complete Vyond walkthrough video for people that want to get started, or for people who are already in the software and just want to know what is new in the software. And in the course of this video, I will be sharing some important features, tips and tricks. So make sure you watch all the videos so you don't miss out any point. So first, when you open the software, you're presented with this dashboard. These are some of your videos that you have created. As you can see down here, these are some of your videos that you have created. Will be stored here, and in this section you have templates. You can start working with templates. So you can start by just working with templates. You can search any template here and you can just tap on any template here and just go and you customize it and you just start working with it. Or you can just come here and you click on create to start creating a project from scratch. So that's what we'll be doing. And when you click on create, you still have the option to use it. You want to start using from templates, or you want to record your screen, but we'll just be starting here from blank. As I'll be showing you I'll be walking you through the software. So when you click start creating from blank, you'll be presented now with this interface. On this left section, if you want to expand the interface, you just come here and expand it. On this left section, you have your library, you have your scenes, and in the scenes section, you have your scenes, you have office scenes, you have your props, you have your characters, you have your charts, you have your text, music, and the things you are going to be uploading will be here. On this upper section, if you do an animation, you want to preview it, you come here and you click on the preview button. You have your save button. This one you want to download your video, and some other features which are going to open when you import a character. So for example, to show you all this other section, I will just import now a character. So there are three different styles of animation you can create using this software. You have the business friendly, you have the whiteboard animation, and you have the contemporary animation. When you hover over your mouse, you are going to see it. You go to where it says characters and you choose the section character type that you want. Like I said, you have business friendly, whiteboard animation, and the contemporary style. And when you tap on characters, you have different categories again. People that are dealing with catering, industries, office, healthcare. There are different categories here. So as you can notice now, once I've added my character, these other options here have opened up. In these other options now, when you have the character, you can easily do the action, that is the animation, the facial expression. You want to have the character to do voiceover, and there are many things you can do here. Let me just show you the actions. You click here, you still have different categories of animations you can use, which are already built in it. So you see, these are many animations that you can be using. And in some cases, if you just want to move fast, because there are many animations here, you can just tap on the character and you come here and you search. For example, if you want to search a walking animation, you come and search. And when you search, these are all animations which can be added to the character instantly. Then if you have your animation and you want to preview, you come here and you click on preview to see your animation. So as you can see, that's it. So there are three animation style type that you can create using only this software Vyond. You have the business friendly, the whiteboard animation, and the contemporary style. So this is the whiteboard animation. As you can see, this is the whiteboard animation. This is the business friendly style. This is the business friendly style, and this is the contemporary style. So when you do a particular search, you are going to be presented with the opportunity if you want to use the business friendly style, the whiteboard animation style, and the contemporary style. All of them will be provided in there. So don't be overwhelmed with all this. The best thing for you to do is just go down there and you get your free account. When you get your free account, you can go in the software and just start following up. There is no harm in just go in and start messing up with things. You learn fast by practicing. So go down there and get your 7-day free trial. Or you check my other video where I explain how I got this software for less the price when I was starting out. And after talking about this animation, pre-made animation which are provided, down here now you have your timeline. This is where you are going to be editing your videos, because to create a video in this software, you need various sub scenes which are going to be joined together to create a video. For example, this is a particular scene with this what is going on here. You will need another scene to just combine it like that until you make a complete video. So here is where you'll be doing all your editing. So the first tip I'll have for you is that these characters are easily customizable. For example, if you want to customize a character, you just hover over the character and you come to where it says more, you click on it, and then you come to say where it says copy and edit character. Then it's now going to open this section where you can customize anything here, from the face. You can customize the clothes. Which type of clothes do you want the person to put on? You can customize the trousers. Everything here is customizable. In the face, you can customize the hair, how you want the hair to look like. You can customize the eyes. So it's a very flexible software. And when you do all that, you just come now and click on save to gallery. And when you click now on save to gallery, when you come here to your characters, you come to your characters. So as you can see, in just a matter of seconds, we have just customized this character now to a doctor. This style in customizing characters can be very good. Mostly when you are creating that type of storyline video that you want the characters to have, the character to be consistent, but you don't want the characters to be having same clothes on. For example, now you can say this is the character in when he's at work. Maybe it's a medical doctor, is at work. This is the character, and when he's at home, he's not wearing the same jacket. This can be very handy if you want to do such type of things, or if you just want to customize your characters. That's how you can do it. Before we talk about the next tip, I just wanted to say that this software is very flexible and there are many things you can be doing with it to start making money online. And I'll be posting these videos very soon. So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification so you'll be the first to know when I post these methods. So another important feature or tip is the ability to change the facial expression of your characters. For example, now in this character, as you can see, this is the facial expression of the character, but we can change this with just a click of a button. You don't need any complicated animation skills. That's why I say this software is very good. So you just click on the character and then you hover over here where it says expression. You click on it. This expression now is set based on the action that is given to the character. But you want to change it, you just come in and click action. Now these are various expressions that you can use: angry, cry, confused. All of these expressions like this, you can just tap on it and the character will immediately take it. For example, you just take on crying. As you see, once you tap on it, the character has already taken the expression. So as you can see, the character is crying. Another very interesting thing for you to do is you can turn the direction of the head direction of the character. You just tap on the character. If you come to where it still says expression, you click on it. Now you have direction according to the action. You tap on it. There are three ways: front, facing the camera, left and right. This can be very handy because now if you want the character to be crying and maybe looking at this man, you just come and click on left. And once you click on it, immediately you can see now that she's crying and she's looking at the man. So this can be very handy. Another very interesting things you can be doing using this software to make your animation stand out is by animating the camera. For example, if you have this scene now, you just hover over here where it says camera on this right section. You click on it. You have add camera and you have add camera movement. So you can animate this camera. Let me just show you. You click the add camera, is that it has been added. This is the camera, you can see is red. You come now add camera movement, and you have to know now that in this camera movement, it is moving from the red to the yellow. So let me just animate something here. In this case now, you see it is moving from red to yellow. In this case, it's going to start from this red section, then it zoom out gradually and comes to the yellow. Let me just preview it so that you see. So you can see now how it is zooming out. The girl is crying and it is gradually zooming out. There is no right and wrong here. Just get your software and just start messing around with it. So to create a total video using this software, you are just going to be adding various scenes. If you have seen, this is scene 1. Let me just preview it all. This is scene 2. This is scene 3. So it takes a gradual addition of various scenes to come out with a total video. Because if you export this now, then you are going to have this now as a video. So to add a scene, if you want to add a new scene, you just come to where it says add scene. Where you tap on it, you are going to have the option to choose a scene. You can choose a scene from previous scenes that you have already done. You can choose to continue this last scene. Or you can choose to start from a blank scene. Once you start from a blank scene, you go again to the process all over. You come here and you add your scene, or you can create your scene from scratch. So gradually that's how you add up until you have your finished video. So let me talk now on layering inside this software. As you can see, this character is behind this table, but I'll make it now for the character to be in front of the table. So you just hover over the character, you right click, and then you come to where it says order, and then you come to where it says bring to front. If you tap bring to front, then the character is going to be in front of the table. This can be very good when you're doing animation. So as you can see now, the character is in front of the table. As you can see, I can still make the character to go behind the table, behind this chair. You just tap on it, right click, come to order, and you click to send to back. So as you can see now, this is our character behind the chair. This can be very handy. Maybe he's talking to the man here, and after he comes in front of the table. I don't know if you understand what I'm meaning. It can be very handy and very good to just make the animation more lively. And again, if you are creating your masterpiece video and you did an error, maybe you move this character that you were not supposed to move the character, don't be scared. Just come up here where it says undo. You can click the shortcut button, which is Ctrl Z. Just come here and you say undo, and it will undo the animation or undo anything that you have just done in the scene. So now, still with the software, let's just create a working animation of this girl moving from this section out of the scene. Let me just see, this man has gotten angry, she's angry and she wants to go out. So you just tap on it. There are two things you need to do here, so watch carefully. You come and you take on actions, you take on working action. So once you search for the work animation, these are all work animations that you have here, depending on what you want to do. These are all work animation, and you want to preview the animation before you add it to the character. You just come and click here where you say preview, and you have the preview. Then you can add it. Just tap on apply, and once you add the animation, as you can see now, this character is looking better on this side. That's another tip I just want to give you now. If you just want the character now to turn and start looking the other side, you just come in and you click on it, you right click, and then you come to where it says you can use flip action of mirror. Any of the two you can use it, and as you see, the character now is crying, and you can just change again the direction. As it's looking this way, you can just change the direction. You can just change the direction of her head. You can change the direction like that. So you check, I've talked about this, how to change the direction just earlier, so just check it out. So now this character has the animation already. So you can see the character has the animation, but she's walking in place. That's not what we want. We want the character to move. So to do that, this is how you are going to do it. So you click on the character, you come to this upper section, you come to where it says motion path, you tap on it. When you tap motion path, you are going to have this now. You come, you click here. These are various motion paths that you can make characters to move. How you want the character to move from one point to another. We just want this character to move from this section to this section. You just come here, you click on this line. The arrow indicates where the character is going to move in. This one is going to be moving from the left side to the right side. This one is moving from the right side to the left side. This one will be moving from up to down. So we want this. So when I click on it now, as you can see, this is the character here. It means this character is going to move from this position to this position within this length of time. You can adjust it. You can adjust it. So let me just preview it now so that you see. So that's it. You can see now our character is moving from the left side to the right side. So another useful tip is to copy animations from one character to another instantly. For example, now we have this character, we have already animated it. If you maybe see now that, oh, you made an error, you did not want it by this character, you can just go into where it says, you tap on the character, then you go to where it says replace, and you say maybe you want the doctor to be behaving like that. When you tap on the image, it's going to instantly take, and once you tap on it, you will immediately see that the character that we had that was a woman is now replaced by this man who is a doctor, and all of the actions has also been transferred. So it can come in very handy when you are doing animations, and you can easily transfer animation from one character to another. If you are a new or old Vyond user, which tip have you been using before which has made your life more easier? Comment down below. Which tip have you always been using which has been making your animations very easy? I can't mention all the features of this software in just one video. So just get yourself a free account and go in and start messing up things around. There's no easy way. The best way of learning a software is by practicing. So just get your account. If you had any value watching this video till this point, please use 2 seconds of your time just to like and subscribe. It helps me create more good videos like this for you, and it helps me to know that you people are enjoying the video. So talking now about the export, if you are already done now with your video, you have created all your masterpiece video and you want to send it to your client, all you have to do now is just come and click on where it says download. You have the option to use video format or a GIF. You have the option to use it with this resolution 1080 or this other resolution. This is higher resolution. This is a very good quality resolution, so just stick with it. Then you just come now and click on generate. As you click now on generate, it's going to be generating the video. As you can see, it's generating the video for me. After it is done generating the video, we'll click on download, and after downloading you can share it now to your client. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to start creating video ads, and there are many other videos that I'm going to be showing you how to use just this software to start creating. So if you have this software, there are many other ways you can use it to be making money online, which I'll be sharing. So subscribe so you don't miss out. Stay creative.